'Cause you won't catch me crying. I guess we're all pretending so we'll be fine. No one wants to hear what's really on my mind.
Look at that, guys. Ganda ng sunset. Hindi mo bigyan ng justice ng camera. Guys, kain tayo ng dinner. What do you call this ulam? Hindi ko rin alam. Yeah. Guys, now I'm having my coffee. And masarap yung Spanish bread ng Mrs. G. Look at that. Look at that filling. Sarap siya, guys. Pastry lover approved, guys. As someone who loves bread, approved siya sa akin. Guys, time check. 12:08 na. And bigla akong nag-crave ng ito. Ito yung ginawa ko last time. Itong jambon. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng cheese and ng milk. Kaso naubusan ng milk. So, ayun. Here's what it looks like kapag wala siyang cheese and milk. Sarap pa din siya, guys. Guys, ganito na yung pa ako. Just this
Ganito yung pa niya, guys.
Guys, so we're done sa groceries. So, ito na yung situation, guys. We're currently making turon. Ayan. And look how good the weather today. Makulimlim lang siya, but hindi siya umuulan. Which is good. Mahangin siya, guys. We have Conchita. Guys, so gumagawa ko ng pancake, but chocolate flavor naman siya. So, ito na yung mixture na ginawa ko. Ayan. So, ayun, here is my merienda. I have my coffee and yung ginawa ko. So, ito na siya, guys. Tikman na natin. Guys, hindi siya gaanong matamis. Which is good. Kasi akala ko matamis eh. Yun. And nga pala, pag gumagawa ko ng pancakes, hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng egg. Mas prefer ko yung walang egg, guys. Call me weird, but yeah. So we have here cranberry juice and isang ampalaya with egg and tomato. Look at that cat. Yes, now I'm having my second coffee of the day. Yan. Plus a majestic sunset. A majestic sunset, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, yeah, look at that sunset. Damn, ang ganda, guys. Tayo sa McDo. Then here's my Coke Zero, fries, burger, and yung cravings ko na McFlurry. Look at that fries. By the way guys, dumaan din kami sa bilihan ng mga school supplies. Bili tayo ngayon guys ng school supplies. Okay, so bibili tayo ng school supplies. So, ayun. I just got home and ito yung mga binili ko. Actually, unti lang siya guys kasi nga marami akong binili last school year and ang ending hindi ko siya nagamit lahat. So, ito lang muna yung binili ko. Yes. As an advocate of the earth. Charot. Environmentalist. So, I got 3 piraso ng ganito. Kasi guys, ang ganda nung nagandahan ako sa like, tingnan niyo yung front niya. Diba? Makapal siya. And at the same time, ang unique ng design. And it is also diba? Yan siya. And 2 from Orions. Ayan. And dalawang Victory na pad paper. And, ay hindi. Ito pa pala guys. Ayan. Save the planet. Take note guys. And 4 na ball pen. And ito lang. So, ito lang yung binili ko guys. Make sure na magagamit talaga lahat. So, ayan. Since meron pa naman akong tira dito last school years na hindi ko nagamit. So, ayun. Ito lang yung binili ko. And, look at that sunset, guys. Di mabigyan ng justice ng camera ko yung ganda ng sunset today. But, ayan.